Eric Nyberg. This is my wife's. Thanks, it's hers. 2015 JKU, the Queen Beast. It's RIP supercharged. It's got the weld-on kit, TerraFlex 6-inch lift kit. Got everything to take down trees. It's got the diff covers from Poison Spider, custom seats, cat skin leather, black leather with the pink stitching. And we call that the pacifier on the bumper, which was cool until I put it on there and realized it looks like a pacifier. My wife has had 4 Jeeps. Her last one was silver, 2-door, and she always talked about she wanted to put pink on it. I'm like, you can't do it. You can't do it. So I was driving around and I saw this one sitting there pretty much built to where it had pink on it. It was doable. And I sent her a picture of it, and she actually drove to the dealership that night and left her silver Rubicon 2-door there, and then drove this home to see if it fit in the garage, and then we went back and she bought it on the spot. It was the fastest transaction she's ever done, I've ever seen her do, and we've had it since. We've had it about 3.5 years now or so, and there's not a bolt I haven't turned on it. We do Jeep Beach. We got engaged there, we got married there. We've been there about 5 years, the Jeep Beach in Daytona. We got engaged at Jeep Beach in the Daytona Speedway parking lot during a Jeep show. It was crazy because right after I proposed, like I handed somebody random my phone. I said, can you record this so that I get this? And she just took it, recorded it, and then about 5 minutes after I proposed, we were sitting on top and they started lighting off fireworks at the stadium. So it was like perfect. So the next year, we ended up getting married on the beach for during Jeep Beach. And it was, we walk on the beach, get married. There's Jeeps on each side of us, like driving back and forth. They all had their lights flashing. It was the greatest. It was awesome. It's definitely a show you don't want to miss. The Jeeps definitely hold a special place in my wife's heart. This is her 5th one, and they just keep getting bigger. But it's just a big, monstrous pink Jeep. Just a dude in a pink Jeep. That's it.